Have you ever woken up and thought, I'm busy all day, but I have no idea where my life is actually going? That strange, heavy feeling isn't laziness or failure. And today, we're going to talk about why it happens and how to fix it. Feeling lost in life is incredibly common. It happens to students, adults, people who are struggling, and people who look successful from the outside. You can be doing everything right and still feel like something is off. Here's the key thing to understand. Feeling lost is not a flaw. It's a signal. A signal that something important, direction, meaning, or alignment is missing. To understand this, we need to start with how your brain actually works. Your brain is wired for direction, not endless options. Thousands of years ago, humans didn't wake up wondering what they should do with their lives. The goals were clear: survive, contribute, belong. Today, you're told you can be anything, do anything, change paths at any time. That sounds freeing, but to your brain, it's overwhelming. Imagine being dropped into a massive supermarket with no shopping list. Every aisle is full. Everything is available. But the longer you stand there, the more anxious and stuck you feel. That's modern life. Psychologists call this choice overload. Research shows that when we have too many options and no clear criteria, we feel less satisfied and more confused. So when you feel lost, it often means you're facing too many possible paths without a clear sense of which ones actually matter to you. Instead of asking, what should I do with my life, which is too big, ask smaller questions. What kinds of problems do I enjoy solving? What drains my energy and what gives me energy? What would I like to be slightly better at 1 year from now? Direction doesn't come from unlimited freedom. It comes from constraints. Another major reason people feel lost is that they're chasing goals that aren't really theirs. Think about it. How many of your goals came from your own values, and how many came from expectations, family pressure, social media, cultural ideas of success? Neuroscience shows that motivation works best when goals are internally driven. When your goals come from the outside, your brain resists, even if the goal looks impressive. That's why someone can get good grades, land a great job, or follow the right path and still feel empty. It's like wearing shoes that look amazing but don't fit. No matter how far you walk, something always hurts. A simple way to check alignment is to ask yourself, when do I feel most like myself? What activities make time disappear? What do I care about even when no one is watching? Clarity doesn't come from copying someone else's life. It comes from understanding your internal compass. Like and comment if this makes sense to you. Here's something most people don't expect. Feeling lost often shows up after growth, not failure. Psychologists studying life transitions have found that confusion often follows change. Graduating, moving, learning new things, outgrowing old beliefs. Your old identity no longer fits who you're becoming. Think of it like updating your phone. During the update, things lag. Apps don't respond. Everything feels broken. But nothing is wrong. The system is reorganizing. Feeling lost can mean your old mental map no longer works. Instead of asking, what's wrong with me? Try asking, what version of myself am I outgrowing? Confusion isn't the enemy. It's a transition state. Another hidden cause is a lack of meaning. Psychology and neuroscience consistently show that humans don't just need comfort or success, we need meaning. Viktor Frankl, a psychiatrist who survived extreme conditions, observed that people with a sense of meaning were more resilient even under suffering. When life feels meaningless, motivation drops, focus fades. Everything feels heavier than it should. That's because meaning tells your brain what's worth energy. Without it, everything feels foggy. Meaning doesn't come from some grand life mission. It comes from small, real actions, contributing to something beyond yourself, improving a skill you care about, helping others in practical ways. You don't find meaning first, you build it through action. Which brings us to one of the biggest traps, waiting for clarity before acting. Many people think, once I feel motivated or certain, then I'll start. But research shows the opposite. Clarity follows action, not the other way around. The brain learns by doing. Movement creates feedback. Feedback creates understanding. Waiting for certainty is like waiting to feel strong before going to the gym. Instead of making permanent decisions, take small, low-risk steps. Try things temporarily. Experiment. Treat choices as prototypes, not lifelong labels. Action breaks the fog. So what does feeling lost really mean? It often means your brain needs direction. Your goals need alignment. Your identity is updating. Your life needs meaning through action. Feeling lost isn't telling you that you're broken. It's asking you to adjust. You don't need to figure out your entire future. You just need the next honest step. So here's the question to sit with. If you stopped trying to find the perfect path and focused on becoming a little more aligned this month, What would you do differently starting tomorrow? That answer might be the beginning of finding your way. Subscribe for more clarity and tips.